Hello dosto and viewers. I'm here with yet another video on CELPIP Speaking. Let's see what do we have here. Task 5. Compare and persuade. Selection 60 seconds. Preparation time 60 seconds. Speaking time 60 seconds. Your friend is recommending flying between cities. Convince your friend that your choice is better. Flying costs $1,500. Length of the trip 15 days. Accommodation, hotels $1,000. Agenda, visiting all major parts of European East, West, North and South. Rent a car rental $1,300. Length of trip 10 days. Accommodation, camping free. Agenda, exploring small towns and scenic areas. Take the train, rail pass $500. Length of the trip 12 days. Accommodation, hotels would cost you $600 per person. Agenda, visiting major cities and tourist attraction. Hey John, I believe it would be better if we take a train because we would have a lot of more flexibility. However, flying would allow us to see more parts of Europe, but in my opinion, that might actually be really overwhelming for us. My cousin did that. He went to Europe for 2 months and visited every part of the continent. After his trip, he said he wished he would have relaxed a bit more and enjoyed some places for a longer time. One of the purposes for our trip is to relax after a busy project. Therefore, I think if we try to see every part of Europe, that will be too much for us. I know our trip would be longer if we chose to fly, but I would rather spend time and train a journey through the Swiss Alps than sitting on a crowded plane. The other thing is that flying would be a lot more expensive for us. We worked really hard to save money for this trip, and I don't think we should blow it all on flights. Going by train will be so much fun, plus hotels are cheaper and we can see major tourist attractions. Anyway, I'm really excited for our trip and can't wait to get there. Task 6. Speaking on difficult situation. Shoes exchange. You recently bought a new pair of shoes and realized that they are slightly too small. You want to exchange them for a larger pair, but you can't find the receipt. Call the store and explain your problem. Ask if you can exchange your shoes. Preparation time 60 seconds. You'll have to speak for 60 seconds. Hi, my name is Sandy and I recently bought a pair of shoes from your shop. After arriving home, I tried them on and realized that they are a bit too small. However, I should have gotten half a size larger. I would like to come back and exchange them, but I can't find my receipt. I am wondering if I can still exchange them without a receipt. If you need proof of purchase, I have my bank statement, which shows the name of your store and a purchase of $80. Also, I remember the store executive who helped me pick them out. His name was Nathan. I think he will remember helping me if you ask him. Anyway, I'm just wondering if I can come in the evening to exchange them. Task 7. Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Nowadays, food has become easier to prepare. Has this change improved the way people live? Use specific reasons and examples to support your answer. Preparation time 30 seconds. You'll have to speak for 90 seconds. I agree that food has become much easier to prepare these days, but I don't think that has improved the way people live. There are several reasons why I opine this. Firstly, the idea of fast food and microwavable dinners have made it possible for people to become busier. Many people don't even stop to eat, and that's why drive-ins are sensational. People just eat in their cars on their way to work I don't think it's a good idea for people to eat on the go. Throughout history, meal times have been the time of day when people stop working. This allows the body to rest and replenish its energy. So many people these days are burnt out. I think the main reason for that is because they don't stop and prepare decent food for themselves. Secondly, the reason I don't think it's a good idea is because the quality of food decreases when you try to market it to society. Foods these days have so many preservatives in them. I think this is the reason why so many people have cancer today. If the body does not receive quality food, it will get sick. That's just a no-brainer. The third reason I don't think it's a good idea is because preparing and eating food has a social aspect to it. Throughout history, food has brought people together. When people eat together, they build social bonds, which is very important in life. Nevertheless, those are some reasons why I think it has not improved people's lives. Task 8, unusual situation. You see a boy in a park doing an activity. Call your niece and ask her if she would like to come and see it. Preparation time 30 seconds. You'll have to speak for 60 seconds. Hey Sarah, it's Aunt Betty calling here. I'm just in a park right now and I see a boy flying a really cool kite. It looks like a big teddy bear dressed up like a pirate. There are two strings going from the kite to the boy's hand, and the teddy bear is wearing a blue pirate hat and a red bandana on its head. It also has an eye patch on one of its eyes and a hook on its right hand. It looks really happy. Would you like to come to the park to see it? Maybe you could join him. It's perfect weather for flying a kite today. Dosto and viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. See you on the other side. This is Sridhar signing off from CELPIP Academy. Thanks for watching.